Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today we are obviously in my little humble kitchen and I'm going to be producing some slow cooker apple cobbler today. I love using my crock pot and I wanted to make a dessert with it today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my little cooking episode of Aging Ethically. This is going to be like a traditional apple cobbler, and I'm also going to be using some oats in this recipe as well. But I want to kick it up a notch and use some of this Trader Joe's pumpkin bread mix. So I want to do like a pumpkin apple cobbler. So it's a little variation on the recipe, but we'll see how it works. 5 Gala apples, which is my favorite variety of apple. We have some organic light brown sugar today. We have some ground cinnamon, quick oats. We have some organic cane sugar, no bone char in the making of this sugar, and of course, Earth Balance Buttery Spread. Of course, we're gonna start off by washing our hands. But can it core a apple? I always think of the honeymooners scene when I use this device. Next, you want to core and peel all 5 of your Gala apples. With a bowl of filtered water set aside, you want to go ahead and cut those apples into thinly sliced pieces. Placing the slices in water prevents them from turning brown. Next, you want to grease the crock pot with some Earth Balance Buttery Spread. One cup firmly packed brown sugar. 1/4 cup of Trader Joe's pumpkin bread and muffin mix. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Not today, cinnamon challenge. Next, we're going to toss all of these beautiful ingredients together and then add the apples to the slow cooker. Now for the oatmeal cobbler topping, we're going to take 1 cup of that Trader Joe's pumpkin bread and muffin mix, 1/2 cup of quick oats, 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup granulated vegan sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, one-half cup of Earth Balance Buttery Spread. You can actually get away with a 1/4 cup if you want it to be a little less caloric. We're going to cut the buttery spread in with a fork until we achieve a nice crumbly texture. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over your apple filling. And your work is done. We're going to cover the crock pot and set it to high. And now we sit back and wait 3 hours while the lovely aromas of pumpkin and apple and cinnamon fills your home.
2 hours later.
You guys, I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision. It is just delightful. I have about 45 more minutes to go, and I cannot wait to taste this apple cobbler. Massimo, do you smell the apple cobbler? You smell the apple cobbler? It smells good, doesn't it? It smells good, huh? Yeah. My cobbler is done and it has cooled down a bit, and I cannot wait to try it. It's like the sauce is almost like caramelized. And oh my gosh, it just smells delightful, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm going to top this cobbler off with some Coconut Bliss Madagascan Vanilla Bean Frozen Dessert. This is a coconut milk based dessert item. And it has like little specks of vanilla bean in it, and oh, it just looks amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. This just looks so good. I am so proud of myself right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks so good. Look at it melting on the cobbler right there. This is Chef Kevan or Kevan Vetter's vegan slow cooker apple cobbler. I use a little bit of pumpkin baking mix in this, and I can't wait to give this a taste and try to grab some of that coconut bliss as well. And cheers. Oh, it's buttery. It tastes like homemade apple pie. It's like has a little bit of a crunch to it because of that topping, and then the vanilla just cools it off. There's like notes of caramel in this. Oh my goodness. I highly recommend you making this. This is not a low calorie dish by any means. It is something you can indulge in when you feel like you have a sweet tooth craving, and I do highly recommend it. You guys, I'm gonna devour this thing off camera. It has been my pleasure to create this delightful little dessert for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mmm.